Well, it's that time of the year here. Snow's starting to come down and Santa is starting to get his sled all ready to bring everybody their presents this year for Christmas. So I figured I would do a giveaway here on Zach's Workshop. So this year, COVID's kind of getting a lot of people down, and it's going to be changing Christmas a lot for how people normally celebrate it. Here in Ontario, they're limiting how many people we can have over, so Christmas is going to be a little bit different this year. But I want to try to cheer up one of you young guys or girls that enjoy watching this channel. So I went out and my wife has been going crazy for Baby Yoda, so she found some Baby Yoda doll that she wanted and I went and got her. When I was there, I seen this. This is a racetrack for demolition derby cars. It's actually a figure-8 track, but I imagine you can just smash them into each other. And I instantly fell in love with it. I actually wanted to buy it for myself, and then I realized this is the time for giving. This is not the time for buying something for yourself. So I purchased it. I'm going to give it away to one lucky YouTube fan. If you're a mother or a father, leave a comment and tell me what son or daughter you're going to give it to. If you're a younger viewer, say like, hey, I want that. I actually think it's really cool. I'm 32 years old right now, and honestly, guys, I'd play with this. So what we have here is a couple of cars that come inside of it. As you can see, the hoods fly up. You got a full racetrack, and the best part is the cars, you charge them up, and they drive on their own. You charge them for 10 seconds. You got a little driver that sits inside them, and everything. You can collect all these different cars. I think this thing is awesome. So everybody, just remember this. This is a free giveaway. It doesn't cost you a single cent to enter. It doesn't cost you a penny. I will cover shipping. I'll also give away a free t-shirt as well to the winner. So all you got to do is leave a comment down below. So I will pick a winner, and it will be at random. It might be as simple as me writing down everybody's name on a piece of paper and putting them in the bucket and picking one out. But you know what? I figured this is the time of season for giving away, and nothing better to give away than a Demolition Derby race set on a Demolition Derby themed channel. So thanks everybody for watching. We are 2 subscribers shy of 9,000 subscribers. And honestly, I never thought I'd ever get that many subscribers. But I just want to say thank you for everybody that's ever hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. To win this, you do have to be subscribed. I do check. So when I do draw the name, I will check to see if you're subscribed. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Share this. If you guys share it and your friends, your family, they subscribe and leave a comment, their names even get put into the draw. So thank you everybody. My channel is bigger than I ever could have imagined, and I figured I'd give back. It's the Christmas season, and I'd like to give out this. Like I said, I actually thought this was a very cool gift, and I thought I would even enjoy it for myself, but it is the time of year for giving. So we're going to be giving this thing away. Thanks everybody for watching. Leave a comment who you're going to give it to, and if you're going to give it to yourself, just give it to yourself. Every comment gets an entry, only one per YouTube channel. So I'll keep track, everybody, don't you worry. And it will be drawn on December 20th, and it'll be put into the mail before Christmas, and I will cover shipping. You guys will probably get it just after New Year's, but I will cover shipping, and it'll be shipped to anywhere. I don't care if somebody in New Zealand, Zimbabwe, USA, Mexico, Brazil, Canada, Alaska. I guess Alaska's in the US. I don't care. Wherever this goes, whoever wins, it will be sent to them free shipping. So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you everybody for subscribing. And don't miss your opportunity to win the Demolition Derby race pack. Take care everybody. See you guys back here tomorrow.